Today we have brought you the latest Tesla news. Tesla puts emphasis on service by closing flashy showroom in China. Tesla Giga Shanghai staff to help Fremont Factory become more efficient, reports suggest. Tesla gives FSD Beta demonstration to California DMV. And Tesla adds Model Y comfort suspension at Fremont and Giga Texas, including to the performance variant. Let's get into all the details. So let's get started. Tesla is putting an emphasis on service needs after reportedly closing a flashy showroom in a luxury shopping mall in China. The move points toward the company's potential strategy to trim costs by not renewing leases at pricey showroom locations and instead opening new dual-purpose locations in less expensive areas that can perform sales and service. Tesla has officially closed its showroom location in China's Parkview Green Mall, the company confirmed to Reuters on Wednesday. The location, which has offered customers an opportunity to observe Tesla's all-electric vehicles and energy products, first opened in 2013 and was renovated and expanded in 2018. However, the costly leases for these showrooms and a lack of foot traffic since the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic have helped Tesla ultimately decide to not renew its lease. A staff member at the mall confirmed Tesla would be vacating the retail location, which will make way for Bape, a luxury streetwear brand, also known as A Bathing Ape. Tesla has 200-plus retail locations in China, a number that has supported the company's expanding presence in the country. Tesla started producing vehicles in China in late 2019 at its Gigafactory Shanghai manufacturing plant. While it is one of the most popular automakers in the country, there are plenty of worthy competitors like NIO, XPeng, and others, which have dented the automaker's success in China. Cutting costs at the expensive and luxury locations will help shift Tesla's strategy to focusing on opening new stores in locations that are not as costly to maintain. The new locations could also serve dually as a service center, which is a part of the automotive business Tesla has struggled with for years. An increase in service locations is needed as Tesla continues to sell more cars and demand for EVs across the board increases. Tesla recently cut costs of the China-built Model 3 and Model Y to be more competitive with automakers in the country. The company sold over 318,000 vehicles in the first 3 quarters, a 55% increase from the same period in 2021. Moving to the next update, Tesla Giga Shanghai staff to help Fremont Factory become more efficient, reports suggest. If there is one thing that Tesla China's team at Gigafactory Shanghai knows very well, it is how to improve the output of an electric vehicle factory. With this in mind, it appears that Tesla is looking to tap into the talents of its Giga Shanghai team to help the Fremont factory increase its output. Tesla's original electric vehicle plant is the Fremont factory, which the company acquired in 2010. But while the factory itself has been responsible for much of the company's growth over the years, it is, at its core, designed to produce internal combustion cars. It was then unsurprising that eventually, Giga Shanghai, which was built from the ground up as an EV factory, was able to overtake the Fremont factory in output. Citing people reportedly familiar with the matter, Bloomberg News noted that about 200 people from Giga Shanghai would be heading to California on assignments that will last at least 3 months. The publication's sources noted that the first workers are setting off as soon as this month. The Tesla China staff, which will reportedly be comprised of automation and control engineers, would be tasked with helping increase the productivity of the Fremont plant. Tesla China has not issued a comment about the matter. Tesla China has made remarkable progress in Gigafactory Shanghai. The electric vehicle maker delivered a record 83,135 cars in China in September, following upgrades to the facility, which took about 5 weeks. The upgrades to Giga Shanghai are expected to have improved the facility's output to about 1 million vehicles per year. The improvements to Giga Shanghai were teased in the shortened delivery dates of the made-in-China Model Y, which are now as short as 1 to 4 weeks. Previously, the estimated wait time for the vehicle went as far as 22 weeks. For context, Tesla's Fremont factory is able to produce about 650,000 cars per year. Even in its state, however, the Fremont plant already stands as one of the United States' most productive car factories. With the help from Giga Shanghai's team, there seems to be little doubt that Fremont would become even better. Moving to the next update, Tesla gives FSD Beta demonstration to California DMV. Tesla demonstrated full self-driving Beta's capabilities for California transportation officials on Wednesday, October 26, 2022. Tesla's FSD Beta demonstration would give autonomous vehicle regulators a good basis for self-driving cars in the future. Tesla's FSD Beta demo was held at the Sacramento headquarters of the Department of Motor Vehicles. A few California transportation officials saw the FSD Beta demonstration, including a representative of the Highway Patrol and a deputy secretary with the state transportation agency. The DMV also invited 3 outside advisors to the FSD Beta demonstration, including Bryant Walker-Smith, Stephen Schladover, and Michael Wagner. According to Bloomberg News, at least 2 of the outside consultants have shared critical views of Tesla's full self-driving suite. Smith, a scholar affiliated with Stanford Law School's Center for Internet and Society, stated that California autonomous vehicle testing rules should apply to Tesla vehicles using FSD. Another advisor, Stephen Schladover, believes that Tesla's use of self-driving is very damaging. Wagner is the chief executive officer of Edge Case Research, a company focused on making self-driving cars safer. Tesla expressed reservations about the outside advisors to the event before it took place. Tesla's lead for policy and business development in California, Jennifer Cohen, questioned the DMV's decision to invite consultants with negative views of FSD to the demonstration. Tesla is preparing for a wide release of FSD sometime in Q4 2022. The company is expected to release supervised FSD to drivers who purchase the capability. Supervised FSD means drivers must still pay attention while the vehicle is in motion. Elon Musk noted that Tesla's FSD would not have regulatory approval, even with the wide release. He explained that regulatory approval for Tesla's autonomous driving software would be a separate matter altogether. However, Musk was hopeful that Tesla would release an FSD update next year, proving to regulators that the cars running its autonomous software are safer than the average human driver behind the wheel. Moving to the last update, Tesla adds Model Y comfort suspension at Fremont and Giga Texas, including to the performance variant. Back on October 17, Elon Musk revealed on Twitter the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y were being built with improved suspension that provides better comfort without affecting handling. Musk didn't provide many details at the time, but specified it was only for the standard non-performance variants. But Drive Tesla has learned it now also applies to the Model Y performance variant and has been in place for some time. According to an email sent to employees on Tuesday, Model Y cars being built at both Fremont and Giga Texas now include what Tesla is calling comfort suspension. Giga Texas was first to implement the update to their Model Y long-range production lines on August 29, 2022. The email does not say when the 4680 Model Y will receive the new suspension. For Fremont, the changes apply to the Model Y long range, including both the 5-seater and 7-seater configurations, as of October 7, 2022, 10 days before Musk published his tweet. Additionally, any Model Y performance built on or after October 11, 2022, also has the comfort suspension. The email was specific to the Model Y only and included no details of if or when the Model 3 received comfort suspension. Unfortunately, there was no explanation of what is different with the new suspension setup, but Tesla describes the benefits of it with similar wording to what Musk used. Our latest Model Y comfort suspension provides improved ride comfort and reduced road harshness while maintaining the steering and handling precision characteristic of Tesla vehicles, Tesla said. As with any production change like this, owners are going to ask if it will be possible to upgrade to the new suspension. In the email, Tesla says this is not possible but gives hope that it might be one day by saying, "Not at this time." That's it for now. So what are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned at the Electric Arena for all the latest Tesla and electric vehicle news.